You may have seen this video where I showed you how to check the gauge for my amigurumi puppy dog. In that video, I mentioned how skipping this step could change the finished size of your doll. Now, you might be thinking, if I'm using the same yarn that the pattern calls for, why should I have to check this? Well, your tension could be different from the person who designed the pattern. That means your stitches could be tighter or looser, and all that is going to affect the size of the finished product. You might also be thinking, if I use the same yarn that's of the same weight, I'll be fine. Well, I used to think that too, but let me show you why you still need to check your gauge.
I crocheted the same pattern using the same crochet hook with 3 different yarns. The one on the left was made with Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn. The one in the middle was made with Red Heart's Super Saver. And the one on the right was made with Lion Brand's Pound of Love. All of these yarns are labeled as weight 4, but you can see they are not the same size. The one on the left is about 6 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters tall. This one in the middle is about 5.5 centimeters wide and maybe about 9 centimeters tall. The one on the right is a tiny bit more than 5 centimeters wide and about 8.5 centimeters tall.
I hope I was able to explain how important it is to check your gauge, even when you think you may not need to. Let me know in the comments what video you might want to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more. I still think that's pretty cool. Thanks for watching.